Pwede nang mag-submit for applications for the Ateneo de Manila University for first-year college entry for the school year 2027 to 2028 intake. So ito yung mga important dates na kailangan nating tandaan para makapag-apply tayo on time, no, para sa Ateneo. Ang deadline of application, kung ang pathway mo is yung magte-take ka ng entrance exam, which is the ACET, ang deadline is malapit na August 17, 2026. After that, syempre, magte-take na tayo nung mismong ACET, which is the College Entrance Test for Ateneo. Kung sa Metro Manila Testing Centers ka magte-take ng ACET, ang schedule for that ay September 19 and 20, 2026. Kung magte-take ka naman ng ACET sa Provincial Testing Centers, that would be on September 26 and 27, 2026. So magandang bagay yon na merong provincial testing centers ng ACET. At least kung nasa labas ka ng NCR, hindi mo na kailangan lumuwas pa ng Maynila para makapag-take ng College Entrance Test for Ateneo. At ito na ang scholarship application for Ateneo. Ang deadline for that ay October 15, 2026. And ang expected na release of decisions on first-year college applications via email ay May 2027.